The Congress in Jharkhand is now defending the MP Dheeraj Sahu. Congress Jharkhand chief is now saying that he's being hounded as if he does not have a Modi. He's being hounded because he does not have a Modi surname. Let's listen into what the Congress chief has said.
खबर आने के लिए 1000 करोड़ की भी आ सकती है। जब प्रधानमंत्री जी 200 करोड़ पे खबर दे रहे हैं, धीरज साहू जी का दुर्भाग्य हो सकता है कि उनके नाम के पीछे मोदी नहीं लगा है, वरना नीरव मोदी और ललित मोदी जैसे लोगों के लिए क्या किया आपने कभी ट्वीट नहीं किया। अभी कुछ कहा नहीं जा सकता, अभी पूरी बातें सामने आने दीजिए। साजिश है, षड्यंत्र है या सचमुच में उनका है, न मैं किसी का बचाव कर रहा हूं, मैं एक व्यवहारिक बात कर रहा हूं। इसलिए कर रहा हूं कि अभी तक कोई आधिकारिक बयान इनकम टैक्स की तरफ से नहीं आया है, जो कि अब तक आना चाहिए था।
My colleague Satyajit is now joining me on the story. Satyajit, we are seeing a big remark is now being made by the Jharkhand Congress chief, clearly going ahead and saying that it's just because that his surname is Dheeraj Sahu and not Modi's surname, that's the reason why these kind of things are now being made into news.
Yes, Aishwarya, he had kept mum till now, and none was willing to speak before the camera, neither the PCC chief Rajesh Thakur nor the CLP leader Alamgir Alam. But now he has made his remarks and he has said that since Modi's surname is not associated with Dheeraj Sahu, and that is why he is being hounded in this way, this is what he wanted to say. When there is no official version from the IT department, how he questioned, it is not bit early to tweet something. This is how he questioned. But the thing is, all of us can see how the seizure was made. It is a huge seizure, cash tuning to more than 200 crores or to the tune of 300 crores have been recovered, and it is in public domain. And after that, Modi ji, PM had made his tweet that you can see the green note, and still the leaders of that particular party gives speeches on honesty, on the policy of honesty.
Right.
This is something great. This is something really amazing. But and after that, politics has rolled out. Now the BJP leaders from Jharkhand are on cloud nine. The tweet of PM Modi has boosted their morale, and now they are all set to rake up this issue
right.
During the forthcoming 2024 elections. They have got an issue, and they are.
That's my colleague Satyajit, who is giving us all the details with regards to the politics that's now taking place in Jharkhand. Now, over 200 crore rupees in cash, in fact, has been recovered by the Income Tax Department. The raids are still continuing at Jharkhand's senior Congress leader and Rajya Sabha MP Dheeraj Sahu's residence. Officials, in fact, have recovered large amounts of cash. The counting is still going on, but as we speak, more than 200 crore rupees in cash has been seized by the Income Tax Department. In fact, not just cash, some jewellery has also been recovered. Over 50 employees of India's premium the State Bank of India, in fact, are now involved in the counting. The bank officials, the SBI officials are now saying that they'll have to call in more staff because the counting has to now take place. The counting, in fact, is taking place under the high security eyes of the IT department and the police department. It's not just the jewellery and the cash, which at the moment is being counted. Torn 500 rupee denomination notes have also been recovered from near the boundary wall of where the raids were taking place. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, has exposed Congress's hypocrisy, and he himself has tweeted a picture of the bundle of cash which has been recovered from Dheeraj Sahu's residence. He said that every penny which has been looted from the public will have to be returned by the Congress party, and he said that this was a Modi guarantee.
This is the palatial bungalow of Rajya Sabha MP Dheeraj Prasad Sahu, located at Ranchi. Now, this bungalow has also come to glare since 3 bags were recovered. 3 bags were taken away by the IT officials who were conducting raids since Wednesday from this bungalow. And the sources have revealed that perhaps the bags were full of jewelries worth crores. So now this bungalow has also hogged the limelight. In the meantime, BJP leaders are taking a dig after PM's tweets on this issue. The morale of BJP leaders are on cloud 9 and they think they have got an issue to rake it up during the 2024 elections.
आज आम जो मेसीन देचु से भीतर आम 2 दिन भीतर सार देबु से आशा रे चलीचु 2 दिन मैक्सिमम आम भाबुचु से भीतर आम सार देबु काम 176 बैग आस्तिला सेतु आम पाखापाखि 40 टा बैग सारीचु आउरी आज आम भाबुचु आज आम बहुत कवर करनु आईटी कर्मचारी मु एक्चुअली काम करनी किंतु बैंक रे आम 50 जन पाखे आम लागि छंदी जेतु छुट्टी अछि आम एटा सुविधा हला आम सब स्टाफ को आम डाकी की काम लगो।
वो देश में मोहब्बत की दुकान खोज रहे थे ना, तो ये 250-300 करोड़ रुपया मिला है कैश कांग्रेस के एक एमपी के अपने और परिवार के बिजनेस प्रमाइसेस से। तो राहुल गांधी जी, ये मोहब्बत की कौन सी दुकान है? भ्रष्टाचार की मूर्ति है कांग्रेस पार्टी। और इंडिया गठबंधन में आपने देखा बंगाल में कितने 100 करोड़ रुपए मिले, मिलते चले जा रहे हैं, मंत्री जेल में जा रहे हैं, फिर भी कोई सोच नहीं। ईडी और सीबीआई का इतना हल्ला करते थे, अभी तीनों प्रदेश की जनता ने क्या जवाब दिया? तो मोदी जी का आह्वान था भ्रष्टाचार पर कार्रवाई, उसको देश साथ खड़ा है।
कांग्रेस के सांसद पर जो छापे पड़े, अगर आप देखिए उनके और उनके नजदीकियों के पास 220 करोड़ से ज्यादा का धन, नोटों की गड्डियां 9 अलमारियों से लेकर कई कमरों तक भरी पड़ी मिली हैं। मशीनें हाफ गई, मशीनें गर्म हो गई। 32 बैंक के अधिकारी भी कम पड़ गए, लेकिन नोटों की गड्डियां खत्म नहीं हुई। ये कांग्रेस के एक भ्रष्ट एमपी से इतना पैसा मिला है, और कांग्रेस तो भ्रष्टाचार की जननी है।
ये अपनी आकांक्षाओं के पूर्ति के लिए जा रहे हैं। देश की आकांक्षा इनके लिए महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है, इसलिए ये महागठबंधन एक तो ये बता दे कि भ्रष्टाचारियों के ऊपर इनकी जुबान बंद क्यों है। 300 करोड़ रुपए पाए गए, जुबान बंद क्यों है? ये पहला प्रश्न है कि भ्रष्टाचारियों के ऊपर इनकी जुबान बंद क्यों?
मोहब्बत की दुकान पर करप्शन का कारोबार चल रहा है। कांग्रेस के आला कमान को, गांधी खानदान को, देश को ये बतलाना होगा कि उनके एक सांसद के 10 ठिकानों से 200 करोड़ रुपए जो बरामद हुए, और काउंटिंग अभी जारी है, ये कांग्रेस का नेता गांधी खानदान में किसका एटीएम था? अब तक कांग्रेस पार्टी ने चुप्पी साध रखी है। ये भी सुनने में आया अखबारों से कि पैसा इतना पड़ा था लूट का कांग्रेस के इस नेता के घर में कि काउंटिंग की मशीनें तक टूट गईं।
INC means not Indian National Congress, but I need cash. Cash for query or cash in almari. This is the methodology. And today the question is, where is Rahul Gandhi? He talks so much about imandari, naitikta, corruption, etc. Why is he quiet? He was seen in Bharat Jodo Yatra along with Dheeraj Sahu. Is this Bharat Jodo or is this corrupt ko jodo or cash ko jodo? Today, Congress party must tell us why they are so reluctant in taking a stand on Dheeraj Sahu. Why are they not taking any action on him?